Hi guys, Lisbeth here. You guys know I've been working on decluttering my home, and I need to do big things like move furniture around upstairs and declutter the entire storage section of my basement. So I thought, what better use of my time than to go over areas I've already done so I can procrastinate on those things that I actually need to do. So, with that being said, I've got a little bit of candle works to be done, or to discard. An umbrella. I used to have a matching pair, and I have two in the car and one in the closet, and so this that used to be part of a matching pair, it can go. A candle snuffer, I still have two. Some clothes for my grandson that I picked up at Goodwill, but he likes to pull on his own clothes, and so this button up is really, and it's like the next size or two up, and it's like really not what's going to work, because if he likes to pull it on, I'm just going to buy him pullover t-shirts and long sleeve shirts. Book I just couldn't get into. Might be a great book. I mean, I literally tried it like 3 or 4 times, couldn't get past the first page or so I didn't really give it a shot. But like Marie Kondo says, maybe the purpose of the book was just to buy the book. And some more jewelry and hair items. This cracks me up. I got rid of all but one of these. This came in a Walmart box with a coupon for a free Clairol hair dye. And I kept the band because, yeah, I never used any of the ones that like were sparkly and pretty, but I'm going to put this one that says Clairol in my hair. I don't even know what I was thinking. Some more earrings that I found that don't really spark joy, that I don't wear or have worn since the declutter and realized it's not for me. An extra scarf, a coat. I was going to keep the coats till fall or winter, but I think I'm just going to pass them on now instead of keeping them in storage. This is a pea coat it's got 2 rows of buttons, which I'm short and overweight, and it looks absolutely not good on me. And this one, which also, why I buy double-breasted things when, being short and overweight, I really need to buy single-breasted things, but it's like 2 sizes down. It's one of those long coats, and so I am not going to wear that. I'm not going to keep it. It's 2 sizes down. It's a couple scarves. This, believe it or not, is items I am keeping, but I am putting down either in the playroom or storage. I was getting to the point where I had to have kids' toys not in the container. And I thought, I don't want to have kids' toys spread across the living room and dining room and solarium, because I keep plenty in here. A water table and some boats and an airplane, and there's some animals and stuff to play and chalk. It's like I don't want my living space to be a toy haven. So I don't know what I'm doing now. I guess I'm just walking around to show you what my living space looks like. But this is it for the really short declutter. Now I have to do things that I absolutely need to do, like clear out the storage space in the basement and clean the house. So that's it for the procrastination declutter. See, here I've got a list of 43 things that I need to do that does not include decluttering or cleaning house. And I've only done 11 so far. So I need to get off my procrastination rock and get going. But I thought I would show that. And the only reason I haven't taken stuff to Goodwill is I think there's a box in the basement, which I need because I'm out of boxes to put the stuff in. See, that's still left over from my last declutter too. So thanks for listening to me ramble. If you guys ever do something like declutter or whatever instead of doing what you really need to be doing, let me know that it's not just me. Talk with you later.